Hi everyone, today we will see how to create a material master data. For the creation of the material master data, the transaction code used is MM01, or you can also choose through SPRO by navigating the path. So now I'm entering MM01 in the menu bar and press enter. Now you would be able to see a screen called create material. Now you are going to create a material. Now select the industry sector as per your business requirement. So here I'm selecting mechanical engineering, and now select the material type. So I'm selecting as finished product standard. Now click enter. Now you will be able to see the list of views which belongs to all the departments. But now as we are going to create only for the procurement side, so we would be selecting the basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, general plant data storage 1, and accounting views. So these are the generic views for the creation of the material master data for procurement. So now press enter. Now it will pop out and ask for the plant and the storage location. So if you know the plant, you can directly give the plant 4-digit code or click the match code. You will be finding a list of plants. Now select the plant and click choose. Now, now enter the storage location. Click the match code. It will list the storage locations. Now select the storage location and click choose. Now you will be able to see the plant and the storage location entered. Now press enter. Now you can see the screen with create material with a number which is already populated with a number which is a pre-requisition created with the number ranges. Now it will be asking for the material description. I am just going to enter as a sample XXX. I'm just creating a sample as a material description. Now uh, enter the basic unit of measure. So click the match code. Now I'm selecting the eaches as my basic unit of measure. Now select eaches, press enter. Now enter the material group. Now click the match code. It will list the material groups. Now select the material group related to your business requirement. So these are the mandatory fields which need to be entered in the basic data one. So now press enter. It will go to the next step for basic data 2. So as per your business requirements, you can enter these fields. Now I just press enter. It will go to the purchasing screen tab. Now you could see again the list of fields. So as per your business requirements, you can enter the fields. Now press enter. It will go to the plant storage location, which is for a storage location. Here you can enter the fields as per your requirements. Now press enter. It will go for the accounting tab where it will be asking for the valuation class to be entered. So now click the match code and select the valuation class. So wherein these are the mandatory fields to enter in the accounting tab. Now you could see the price control as V. Now you should enter the moving average price. So I'm just entering as 100. Now press enter. Now it will be going for the accounting to tab. As per your requirements, you can just enter the informations if required. Now press enter. You can see the screen popped out. Do you want to save your data for this material first? Now press yes. Your material master will be created with the material number. So this is the material number you would be using for the plant 0001 which you have created. Thank you.